Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to make Elmo's jam tarts. This is quite a special recipe in the family, since this is the recipe that my great-grandmother made for my grandmother when she was being courted. I believe is the old-fashioned way. It's like when they were dating, when my grandfather and my grandmother were dating. He would come around and visit with my grandmother, and my great-grandmother, so her mother, would have these jam tarts ready, and it was just a very special family moment. They would always have these jam tarts at the house when my grandfather would come and visit my grandmother when they were in their courtship or dating era. So it's a very special recipe to us. I hope you enjoy the video. In this video I'll show you how to make it. It's a very old-fashioned type of dough, but it is a very special type of recipe, so I really hope you enjoy it. If you have any other old recipes or cute stories of older recipes, please share in the comment section below. I'd love to hear them and maybe even try some out. But without further ado, I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe.